Now, another volatile session on the Lal Street today. Markets extended their decline for a fourth straight session today, with both the Sensex as well as the Nifty really ending the day in the red. Broader markets also staged a decline, with real estate stocks really emerging as the biggest losers of the day. But the auto as well as the FMCG pack managed to outperform the markets. Aisha Fareedi is right here with a detailed wrap on the market action. Hi, Aisha.
Well, just sheer volatility, that's the only one way to describe how trade went by today. Getting into a trading off tomorrow and huge amounts of volatility, that is what we faced today. What looked like a quiet start peaked up well above that 6750 mark, only to get sold into, and we faced, or rather slipped well below that 6700 mark as well intraday today, and then finally recovered towards the dying minutes of trade. Net, we've swung almost about 120 or 5 odd points from the high to the low of the day, only on the Nifty alone. Finally closing in just shy of that 6700 mark. Again, it's been a fourth consecutive day of losses that we've seen for the Nifty alone. You had the realty index, which really cracked hard, so 5% loss coming in towards closing bell. Although banks recovered, but nonetheless the bank Nifty managed to close with losses of about almost 0.5% or so. Autos, FMCG relatively were the outperformers and just managed to scratch the green surface. So DLF, HDL, Unitech, all these names cracked in trade. Metals as well as pockets saw huge losses coming in. Again, intraday recovery, but did close in the red. The other losers were the likes of Tata Power, BHL, Ambuja, L&T, etc. Banks, a mixed bag, so to speak. SBI, HDFC, PNB, some of these PSU names held out, but Yes Bank, Union, and Karnataka Bank still managed to close in the red. The gains really came in thanks to Hero MotoCorp, Asian Paints, Tata Motors, ONGC, Jindal Steel, as well as HDFC. Futures and options activity that was heightened when it came to names like IOB, JSW Steel, as well as Hero MotoCorp, and the losers were only the realty names. The other mid-cap end of the market, that was the one which did recover from the intraday lows, but nonetheless was lower by about almost 2.5% for both the mid as well as the small cap indices. So Suzlon, IFCI, Punj Lloyd, all the Adani names, power in particular, Gen Irrigation, GMR Infrastructure, did see a fair amount of profit taking coming in. These are, remember, the names which have run up also pretty hard in the last couple of trading sessions. Volatile day, but with one clear indication that this market is not really in a mood to come down quite easily. It is clearly becoming a buy on dips market.